Hey everybody out there, Coach Dan Law with Get Lean in 12, and today I have the BOSU Ball with me to do a BOSU belly blast workout that's gonna help you shed the unwanted belly fat using nothing but a simple BOSU ball. Now listen, there's a link up here. Don't click it, don't touch it, don't look at it. I gotta show you these moves. There's two moves that are specifically designed to help you not only shred your midsection with using a BOSU ball, but also shed the unwanted belly fat, okay? Now, before I get started, at the end of this, I have something that goes with this perfect if you're over the age of 40 like me and you're looking to get your dream body, okay? So stick with me. Now, this BOSU ball, you can purchase them online, you can get them through Amazon, you can go and you can actually get these at sporting goods stores, but it is a great investment. It's huge for stability, huge for core training, and engaging over 600 plus muscles all at one time using this simple BOSU ball. Okay, let's get started now. All you need is this. All you're gonna do for the first exercise, okay, is you're gonna put your rear on the front half of the BOSU ball so that your lower back will be right on the curvature, okay, just like so. Now, once you've done that, extend the right leg out, left leg in, knee up, just like so, okay? Right hand on the ground for stability. Take this hand, bring it back. Ooh, see that shaking? Can you see that shaking? And then come up, touch the toe. 2, 3, 4. Now, you want to do 12 reps on the right, 12 reps on the left. Now I'm going to switch because I want to show you this side, okay? Other hand on the other floor, right? Hand up, bring it back. Now, you will notice whichever side is weaker from your left to your right, this is going to help you determine which side is weaker and support yourself with the hand on the ground, because trust me, this really works. Back, just like so. Just like this. Very simple, very easy, but yet it is very challenging on the exercise. Now, that's your first move, okay? Second move, I'm gonna do on the side. Watch this. You're gonna put your hip on the BOSU ball, right? I'm on my right side. Flat foot, I mean not flat foot, but side, on the side of your foot on the ground. Other side, just like this, legs straight out. Hand on the ground or elbow, your choice, okay? Hand on the other hand on the BOSU ball. Then all I want you to do is lift these off the ground, up, 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 all the legs, bring them up, both those legs. Wow, this works all the obliques, works your midsection, working over 600 plus muscles from here all the way to your rear, and this is a huge BOSU. See, now if I take my hand off, it's even harder, just like that, right? This is advanced, this is more beginner. Up, up. Now, you're gonna wanna do at least 12 to 20 reps on the left, 12 to 20 reps on the right hand side. Use those two moves, remember, here you go, very simple, right? Bring that leg, whichever leg you want, put the hand on the ground, all right? Bring that knee up, then touch, touch. Now, remember what I said, 12 reps on the left, 12 reps on the right. Now, listen, if you're over the age of 40 and your hormones feel like they're tanking, there's a reason for that. It happens. Almost everyone in the world has hormone issues that start to happen when they start to get older because it's a natural occurrence in your body. If you want more moves like this, and you want to shed the unwanted belly fat, and you want to do it fast, we have been testing for years a protocol that's called the Over 40 Ab and Flat Belly Solution. Now, if you're over the age of 40, I'm 45, okay, like me, and you need more moves like this to help you get that dream body, and you also need the specific protocols that are geared for people that are over the age of 40 that have the hormone decline. I have the solution for you. It's called the Over 40 Ab and Flat Belly Solution. It's up at this link, but before you do that, do me a favor. If you love these moves that I just showed you and you want more, say, I want more, Dan, down in the comments below. I want more, Dan, 2 exclamation marks down in the comments below. Hit a like, hit a heart, hit a share for me. Share this with the world, get it out there, all right? Because I'm trying to grow the Get Lean in 12 nation, which right now is over 333,000 people strong because of people like you using this exact system. Click this link. It's gonna take you to the over 40 ab and flat belly solution. Not only are you gonna see me on this page when you click there, okay? You're gonna see my wife. She's 41, almost 42, living with her dream body. You're also gonna see my great friend and partner, Sean Hatzel. He's 47 years old with abs, he's ripped, and he's a grandpa. And you're gonna see his wife, Karen, she's 58, grandma, and she's living with her dream body, and she beat out colon cancer using this exact system. So if you're ready, only if you're ready, it's your turn, it's your time. Don't wait any longer. If it's not your time, that's okay, just use these moves and it'll get you feeling a lot better and a lot younger. But if you're ready, it's your turn. Click this link now. Thanks for stopping on this feed and keep going strong.